While the world stops for a match, while grown adults scream, rage, cry, and let a scoreboard decide their mood, there is a quiet group of people who feel absolutely nothing. No excitement, no anger, no attachment, and there is the truth most people miss. It's not because they are cold. It's not because they are boring. It's because their brain is wired to play. It's completely different game. Stay till the end, because after this you will never look at sport, pen, or yourself the same way again. The question nobody asks: why does a game played by stranger mean everything to some people and absolutely nothing to others? This isn't about taste. This isn't about intelligence. This is about where your brain finds meaning. Humans are aware of this trap for thousands of years. Being alone meant death. Trip meant safety. Trip meant test. The danger is gone, but the instincts stay. So the brain adopts logos, color, team anthems. When someone watches their team, their brain release bonding chemical. It feel like family. That's why a lose feels personal, even though nothing in their real life actually change. Why it doesn't work on everyone? Because some people don't build an identity from groups. They build it internally. They don't ask who are we. They ask who I am becoming. Psychologists call this low defense on external identity. In simple words, they don't need borrow victory to feel complete. The addiction nobody talk about. Sport is not just entertainment. It's a dopamine engine. Every moment, will they score, will they lose, will they win, that uncertainty keeps the brain hooked. It's the same reward loop found in gambling, social media, and notifications. Some brain crave it, some brain react to it, not because one is better, but because they were differently. It might be in your DNA, research suggested. Some people are generally less responsive to spectator competition. Their brain prefer creation, control, depth, participation, not watching the story, but building it. They don't want drama, they want direction. Why fans say we won? When the team wins, we won. When the team lose, they messed up. That's psychological outsourcing. Borrowed success, borrowed pain. People who don't care about sport to this powerless. Their confidence comes from their action, not from stranger performance. That's why they seem quiet but stable. Real emotion gets pain. Sports pain your emotion, and to people they have never met. Non-sport people aren't emotional. They invest emotion elsewhere. Relationship, art, idea, personal growth, same energy, different direction. The uncomfortable truth for some people not caring about sport, protection from forced competition, noise, aggression disguised as poison, or maybe they simply refuse to let external chaos control their internal state, and that idea make highly emotional people uncomfortable. Two-way human find meaning. One group find meaning in unpredictable external drama. The other find meaning in effort, creation, and control. One watch story unfold, the other write their own. Neither is superior. They are just different. If you don't care about sport, you are not missing out on life. You are just playing a different level of the game. Your brain isn't built for noise, it's built for direction. And the real danger isn't screaming at a TV. It's abandoning your own story to live inside someone else. If this hit you, you already know why. Like, subscribe, comment. I build my own story.